Okay,
So
okay,
I'm not able to give my vote a suitable candidate. So just
okay.
I'm thinking, I think there should be some implementation in our law. Like
Hmm.
I am a voter, I want give my vote, but I can't
Hmm.
give. For giving
Yes,
my vote, I should go in my district,
yes,
and it
yes.
is
You
not
should
possible.
go at your home district. Then you can
Yes,
go. You
and
can
it is
cast
not
your vote.
possible.
It is not possible. Yes, yes. Could you introduce
Tanya
yourself?
Singh. Okay, I'm Tanya Singh, and I'm connecting with you from Jaipur city. I'm a
Oh,
homemaker. That's all about me. It is
oh,
a, you can
thank
say,
you,
little
ma'am.
introduction from my side.
Yes, exactly. Should I introduce myself?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. As my name is Prashant, and I am from Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, and I am doing preparation for uh, SSC GD, and also I am doing lots of activity in my life, like I am learning English language. So earlier I was not able to speak in English language, but now I am doing more practice every day. So now I am little bit able to speak in English language. So that's it. My little bit short introduction.
Okay, good introduction. I was thinking about the election because
Okay.
last Friday in my area, you can say in Jaipur, there was election, and
Okay.
basically I belong from Uttar Pradesh, and
Oh.
my voter ID card is registered Ghaziabad district.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I'm not able to give my vote a suitable candidate. So just
Okay.
I'm thinking, I think there should be some implementation in our law. Like
Hmm.
I am a voter, I want give my vote, but I can't
Hmm.
give. For giving
Yes.
my vote, I should go in my district,
Yes.
and it
Yes.
is
You
not
should
possible.
go at your home district. Then you can
Yes,
go. You
and
can
it is
cast
not
your vote.
possible.
It is not possible. Yes. Yes.
Yes, I
So
think government
you.
should do some work on this problem.
Yes.
Yes,
So
because
you want to.
you know that for jobs they are moving from their city, their state also. So on the election time, they can't give their votes.
Hmm.
Yes,
It's good, it will be like if anyone living in any city, so they can cast vote in that city also. So it will be better for everyone because nowadays we are having shortage of time. So we cannot move one place to another place. Like we cannot go at our home district and for only casting vote purpose, right? So it will be very difficult for us because we are like some people are doing job in corporate sector, so it will be not good thing, okay, for that people. So yeah,
yes.
your if you will raise this point in like Sansad Bhavan, then definitely they will give
I
solution
know
on that.
you will be give attention to my problem, but I'm just sharing on YouTube. I think there should be some implementation
Hmm.
because it is not compulsory. We are living our area. Sometimes we are moving here and there. We are living some other states also. And how
Hmm.
can I give our vote?
Definitely.
Yes, that is a
So
problem.
yes, yes, I can understand. Yeah, I am now 22-year old, and I didn't give any time. I didn't cast any time board. So yeah, I'm also thinking now. I am also living in my in Lucknow right now. So I if I cast board, then I have to go in my village. So it will be not good for me because I we are doing focus on our study thing. We some people are doing a job, so they cannot move. So this if it will be implemented in our country, then it will be very easier for every citizen.
Yes, because most of the politicians are saying you should use your vote, you should give your vote. But how can we give?
Yes,
They are not
definitely.
thinking this problem. What is the main
Hmm.
problem?
Yes,
Yes. Okay, you are from Lucknow, and Lucknow is the city of Nawabs. So
yes,
tell me
yes, great,
something about Lucknow.
ma'am. For Lucknow, I am not able to express my whole feeling because having a Lucknow city, we can explore each and everything. Like those people who are living in Lucknow, I think they must be fond of foods, like
Mm.
so.
Yes.
So this city provides each and every types of food. Like if you are not able to afford too much money for having a good food, then you can also get some affordable food here, right? If you want to eat some delicious food in Delhi, then you cannot, if you don't have too much money, then you cannot afford. But in Lucknow you can uh, afford, and you can eat any types of food, like kebab, paratha, tunde kebab is famous
Yes.
restaurant from Lucknow. Every
Yes.
Lots of people are coming from different city to eat
And
kebab, paratha, and kebab.
in English we call it breakfast, but in Hindi we can say nashta. Lucknowi nashta is
Yes,
very
yes, exactly. And
yes.
here,
Last year I have visited Lucknow. There is a
mhm,
particular Gomati Nagar.
yes, Gomati Nagar is very, uh, very,
Posh
we
area.
can say,
Very
pause
posh
area.
area. Yes.
Pause.
I have visited there with some urgent work.
Mhm.
Then I eat some good and you can say delicious food from Lucknow. And really it was
Yes,
very good.
yes, exactly.
And
And
there are so
in Lucknow, you will
restaurants.
see,
Yes,
if
continue.
you will if you will visit Lucknow, then you should also visit lots of place that is very famous here. Like if you will go for shopping, then you must visit Lulu Mall. Lulu Mall is damn big, so it will
Yes.
be a good experience for you, because we like I visited multiple of time Lulu Mall. And
What is the specialty of Lulu Mall? Any
in
special
Lulu
thing?
Mall, you will get each and everything instead of mother and father. Like in Lulu Mall, each and everything is available. Like if you want to clothes, if you want to any like everything you will get there. Because how can I say, I visited like Lulu Mall, then I saw different types of thing. Like you if you will go any market, then you will not get everything at one place. Like in distance of 100 meter, you can get each and everything whatever you want to purchase, right? And there are lots of facility, like if you are having bike, car, any types of vehicle, so there is a great park facility here there, so
I think
you
this
can
mall
go.
is
And
connected from Dubai Mall. Lulu Mall is connected from Dubai Mall. I have heard.
I don't know on this point, but maybe Lulu Mall, this is a branch of Lulu. Lulu Mall is
There is a big
you know,
chain. I think there is a big
big
chain.
chain. Yes,
Yes.
yes. I think this
They
is
have, yes, yes.
the owner of Lulu Mall. I think it he is Indian. I don't know, but
Maybe
some people were
we
saying
should,
he's
I
Indian.
think we should Google it. Who is the owner of this mall? After that, we
Yes,
can
yes, yes.
do some
I'm
knowledge
doing.
that he's Indian or he's not Indian. I can't say without Google it.
Yes, yes,
Yes. Okay, you are preparing for, I think, SSC.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many hours you are studying?
Yeah, he is Indian person. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have already, find out who is the owner of the mall. He's an Indian person.
Yes, Mr. Ashif. His name is very big, but I have taken very
Yes,
short name.
good, good knowledge. Okay, tell me how many hours you are studying.
Oh, ma'am, I'm just doing 7 to 8 hours because I am having some couple of class also. So I have to attend that class, and after that I need to do a study at home. So I'm doing approx 7 to 8 hours, and I'm also doing lots of practice, like 1 and 2 hour I'm doing practice with strangers. So it will be very useful for me, because I can enhance my English language as well as my communication skills. So it will be very easy. So I'm doing this types of activity also. And
I
I'm also a YouTuber, like a little, you can say a small YouTuber.
Okay. Are you taking online classes or offline classes?
Not, ma'am. I'm having I have to attend class like as a student.
Yes, you are taking classes
Okay.
like
Oh,
a,
yes.
but the mode is online or offline? I'm just asking.
Offline, offline, offline.
Do you think offline is better than online?
Ma'am, yeah, this is all about students' potential. If you are able to grab each and everything by online, then you can go ahead by online. But the thing is that in offline, you don't have too much facility. Like if you have knowledge on particular class, then you can not learn lots of things. Teacher will teach that thing. That's it. But if you are doing preparation through online, then you can go ahead instead of that class. So these types of facility is also available, but I think online is very better. If I am having good knowledge, then online is better.
Because if you are studying at your home place, I think it's
Hmm.
more better than, yeah, that you are going in some place and you are studying.
Hmm.
But
Yes.
I can say it depends on the individuals. Like some person saying that online is good, some person says that offline is good.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, you are living in Jaipur.
Hmm.
So Jaipur
Even
is a very great city. I heard sometime.
mhm.
So tell me about Jaipur. Jaipur Mahal is there, right?
There are so
Yes.
many palaces, Hawa Mahal, Jantar Mantar,
Yes, Jantar
Birla
Mantar.
Temple, Iskon Temple, Amer Fort, yes,
Yes.
Jal Mahal. It is a very good city, and really I like this city, and it is also called Pink City. Every year, so many tourists come on this place, and they are
Mm.
taking some good photos for their memories.
Yes, yes. So, I have my couple of friend also, they are living in Jaipur. So they used to say, "Oh, man, please come, and I will visit you different place because this city is a great, amazing. We cannot expect like Lucknow is also amazing city, but there is a very different in Jaipur."
Jaipur, you can say, I have observed personally,
Hmm.
peaceful city.
Yes, peaceful city.
But I belong basically from NCR, Delhi NCR. And the life
Okay.
of Delhi NCR is, when you are going in a metro, it's all time
Hmm.
full of crowd. And when you are going in a Jaipur metro, you know,
Hmm.
most of the time it is totally empty, I can say.
Yes, yes.
And people are very genuine.
Okay. So if people are very genuine, so it is very good thing.
Because in
People
Delhi
must be
NCR,
genuine.
there are crowd, can
Mm.
say. Most in every part of India, I think they are living in Delhi NCR.
Yes,
And there
yes,
are
yes.
some good institutes, you can say Mukherjee Nagar.
Yes,
There are so many aspirants every year coming and doing their preparations.
yes, yes, ma'am.
And in Jaipur, I think there are some places, there are some
Mm.
coaching centers also. They are very famous coaching centers. So every year there are so many students every year come here just for preparation.
Yes, yes,
Like Springdale Academy, Allen, Akash. There are
yes,
so many academies here.
yes. I know the Kota is a very hub of education. From the each and every part of India, they are students are going there and they are having education from there. So it's a very good city, and also they are providing good education in Kota. So it will be very okay for the student.
And I think Kota is already very famous just for some cases.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, are you doing a job or are you doing something else?
No, I'm not doing any kind of job. Right now, I'm just doing conversation. with my co-learner, and I'm a totally full-time, you can say, homemaker.
Okay, you are full-time homemaker. So good, good. So, are you married, right?
Yes, I'm married and I have a kid also.
How many kids do you have?
I have only one daughter.
Okay. So, after getting married, which types of thing is coming in your mind? After getting married, life is good, okay, or fantastic. Otherwise, before getting married.
Before marriage, life is very good, I can say. But after marriage, yeah, it's very good. But there are so many responsibilities you have to take. If
Mm.
you are ready taking so many responsibilities, then you should do marry. Otherwise, you can live single.
Yes, fantastic, fantastic.
And you know, so there is a second point also.
Mm.
In a certain age, you realize that you want a partner and you want
Mm.
your own family. Because
Mm.
most of the friends, you can say, when you like looking here and there, most of the friends have already established their family.
Mm.
After that, if you are expecting they will go in a mall, you can say, sometimes we are wandering here and there with our friends. It's not
Mm.
possible because your all friends are right now, engaged with their partner. So you feel that I should make my family also.
Yes, ma'am. But according to me, a single life is literally a better because we are not having any types of responsibility. Like the life we can enjoy in a single life because if you will get married, so then you cannot do anything whatever you want to do. Like some people are doing, I am not denying that thing, but
Mhm.
if you don't have guts to do after getting married, then your life will be very slow.
Become yes. If you don't get a suitable partner for
Mm.
you, I think that time life will just look you can say hell.
Yes, ma'am. But nowadays the situation is that every people want good life partner, but every people don't become a good person.
Mhm. Yes.
So that I'm just sometimes I'm observing, like I'm just taking my example. I'm not good, so why I will expect that I will be having a great good life partner.
Because in our family we have seen these type of things, that your
Mm.
partner should be very good. There are so
Mm.
many things. Like in boys, if we are searching, we are
Mm.
giving much preference to the government job employee. We are not giving so much, our preference to private job employee. It is a
Yes.
tendency in our society, you can say.
Mm. Yes.
Yes. And right now there are so many facilities also. You can talk with your, when you are going to what I will say, when you are meeting a girl with your family. I think nowadays there are so many facilities. You can talk, you can know their feelings also, what she is thinking, and
Mm.
girl also can ask some questions.
Yeah.
After that, they can take a good decision.
Yes. Definitely. Definitely.